Welcome home, Ethan.
Thanks, Aaron.
Martin, here's Uncle Ethan.
Debbie, sit down.
Evening, Uncle Ethan. Welcome home, sir.
Martin? Martin Pauling.
I'm sorry for being late, Aunt Martha. Larry?
Well, I could mistake you for a half-breed.
Not quite. I'm 8th Cherokee, and the rest is Welsh and English. At least that's what they tell me.
Grown some.
It was Ethan found you, squalling under a sage clump after your folks had been massacred.
It just happened to be me. No need to make more of it.
Thank you, Lucy.